For the denim, we will present you the offer by materials, as a dedicated video by product families will be available on the YouTube channel. Also, remember that you can find support with the merch map. So this season, besides the carryovers, where we find a diverse proposal on the cuts and the washes, we find two important new materials. The first one is the spy that you will see soon, that it's an ecru and brushed offer, very perfect for the full winter season. On the other side, we have the novelty of the AK family, which is a compact canvas with a Japanese spirit. Finally, we will also bring you a novelty in the Joy washing with a clear 80s spirit. You will also see how the patches and the logos are the key identity of the season. So let's start. The first family that I will present you, as I was telling you, is the spy that you can see here on my model. The spy is a new material in ecru. Remember that we really want to highlight this ecru silhouette idea for the season, and this denim, it's a brushed, soft and more wintry material. We can find as well very important fashion details like the patches and over stitches. On the cut, what can I say? It's a straight worker, and actually it's like the new straight worker because it has the base of the straight, but it has a little bit of a wider leg and more specific details like buttons on the sides and a patch as well in green in the back. Thank you. The next family that you already know very well is the Joy family. We are talking now about a pure denim, authentic American style. For this season, we have two different washings, one marble stone light blue, and then we also have the more matte with the blue stone that you can see here on the second model. Also, regarding the models, you can see that we bring a lot of new, more details, and as the time passes in the collections, you can see that we are beginning to have a denim that it's also more trendy and stronger also for the menswear collection. Thank you, guys. On the Joy, we also have a big novelty that is another over-dyeing effect, plus the shearling spirit that you can see in the jacket that Antonio has in its hands, and this gives a more grunge, used, even kind of like a Stranger Things effect for the end of the 80s vibe. Thank you. The next family, it's another one that we know very well, and you have to notice that this is the biggest family that we have in the denim collection, as we have 11 pieces. I am talking, of course, about the Yop. In Yop, we have a gray that is a more vintage offer, but we also will have, of course, the black, which is our more essential opportunity on the denim. Just to remind you, Yop, of course, is 100% cotton, but it's our eco-friendly opportunity. So it's really important that we are aware and we can highlight this. Here on the looks, you can see very clearly the two different washes, and of course, we are bringing all the details that I am telling you about the denim, as for example, the patch that in this opportunity is worked in a contrasting red, and also we can notice how we have a lot of different very raw finishes for the jackets. Here we have one more like a bomber style, notice in the back, the elasticated waist, and again, of course, we have the logo. Also on the trousers, we included many other new details. Thank you, guys. To continue showing you a little bit this Yop family, we also have for the men the opportunity of the jumpsuit. This is the pure worker kind of like garage vibe that is very cool, very comfy, and something that you can really wear in very different opportunities. Also, to finish the offer of the Yop, notice how we introduce also for the men, as they are unisex, a lot of accessories like the cap and the bag. Thank you. The following family, it's a novelty of the season, and it's called the Ast. Ast is the original denim idea with this American spirit, and it's quite authentic, but notice that it's a very lightful denim, perfect for the beginning of the season. It's more dry and more compact in a way, but it's lighter, and its volumes are bigger. This family is going to be related to the last one that I will present you in continuation. Notice again how we borrow a different patch that we can see in the collection in our jersey offer, and we bring it as well into the denim. Thank you. And to finish the presentation, we have the other very important new material of the season, that is the Aki. The Aki, as I was telling you, is still this American vibe, but here we have a very compact denim with this super Japanese vibe in a premium aspect. Notice how beautiful the contrasting piping in white is for a more pure and depurated look.